Hello all, welcome to RVH Technologies. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the topic under SQL, that is the select statement. Okay, so this is our SQL management studio where we can log into SQL. So just give the password and now you are able to connect to SQL server in the management studio. Okay, so let me show you the databases. So these are all different databases, which are some system databases and some normal databases. Okay, so let me explain all our SQL select statement or delete statement, whatever the things, SQL commands by using the Go Sales. So just click that Go Sales database where you can find different tables, views, stored procedures, etc. So let me select the tables. So here you can find different database tables. You can see uh, Go Sales branch, conversion rate tables, product tables, and sales target table. That means different dimensions and fact tables. Here you can find. Okay. Uh, Now just go ahead and select the new query button. Just select this one. Click this button. Now you are able to see a new query tab where you can write your queries again the database and you can see the results. Okay. Now let me go ahead and select Go Sale here, database, and you write against, we can write against that select statement against the Go Sale table. Okay. Go Sales database. Now let me select. Okay, this is our first keyword, select. I want to see all the columns from one of the table. So just I want to see all the details of the product table. Now let me select. If you want all the columns from the table, select star from, okay, Go Sales Prod, just to drag and drop. Now just execute this particular query. See this? Now you are able to see product number, base product number, all the columns from the product table. You can see that product number, base product number, introduction date, all those things. That means, say, for example, if you expand this tab, Go Sales Product, under the columns, you can see this. These are the columns exist under product table. That means all the information related to the product table you can able to see by just typing select star. Star means complete columns. Okay. The same thing, for example, if you want to go ahead, if you want to select all the columns from the Go Sales order details, just type it and execute it. That's it. That means you are able to see all the order details tables. So what is the order number? What is the product number? What is the quantity, unit cost, like that? But if you want to select some of the column, that means I don't want to see all the columns. I want to see only order number, product number, and quantity. So instead of star, what you can do, you can directly write those columns only. So that means order number, you can select like this also, comma, and product number, select that, comma, and just I want quantity. So quantity. That's it. So instead of star, I just put select order number, product number, and quantity. Now just execute this query. You can see only those three columns. That means if you put select star, you will able to see all the columns from the table. But if you mention particularly only those columns, then just write select order number, product number, quantity, or whatever the fields you are expecting, whatever the columns you are expecting, then you will get only those details. I hope you understand the difference between select star and select, right? So star and other column information means I hope you understand now what do you mean by star and what do you mean by writing the different column names in the SQL statement. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts or clarification if you are expecting, please comment, okay, so that I will try to explain more on this particular topic. Thank you very much.